Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be food prep. Today I'm just mostly prepping some vegetables to go into the freezer and making one large meal that can be used throughout the week. So here I'm just cutting up the bell peppers that we got out of the garden so far this year. And this is just my first round of vegetable prep of the year. As the summer continues, we will get more. And actually, when this video goes up, this might... I don't know yet. We'll see. Okay, so now I'm just chopping up an onion so I can actually get started on the meal that I'm going to make for this week. And our meal for this week is just chili. I've already shown how to make this in my go-to dinner ideas video. So I will link that somewhere, in either in the cards or in the description box, that you can go check out this recipe if you want to. Okay, and last but not least, I'm just shredding up some zucchini. I had the whole footage of me cutting up the zucchini and prepping the zucchini so I could shred it, and I don't know what happened to that, so you're just going to get me shredding the zucchini and then how many bags it fit into so I could put it in the freezer. So we got 3 bags of zucchini. There's probably about 2 cups in each bag once it's thawed and drained. So that's it for this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you want more videos like this, let me know. And other than that, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.